Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to take a look how we can easily enable physics asset inside Unreal Engine. So let's get started. And basically physics asset allow us to enable simulate the physics. All the all the characters come with their own physics asset, like the mannequin right here. As you can see, we got our physics asset right here. If I open this and show you, let me simulate this physics asset. You can see this is our physics asset. So how we can enable it through drawing the gameplay? That's it. That's easy. Let me first. You have to open your character. Make sure your mesh collision is set to Ragdoll, otherwise it is not gonna work. So put it, if it is on something else, just put it on the Ragdoll, hit compile. Now we need to, I think I've done it before, let me check. Yeah, I've done it before. So let's do it again. We have to create a new function. I'm gonna call this function Ragdoll. For the Ragdoll, I'm gonna get my capsule component, set collision enable to no collision, and for the movement set movement. Where is the movement? Yeah, set movement to I'm sorry, we don't need this now. You have to disable movement, because when we die we don't want our character to move around and something like that. Disable movement, and after all of it we are going to say get our mesh and set physics. Is the physics enable? Set physics asset, simulate, set simulate physics, and make this boolean to true, hit compile. Now if I have a H key right here, if you want to get another one, you can just search for a key, like I'm gonna search for 1 on my keyboard and get it right here. And for the 1, I'm gonna say enable Ragdoll. You can do it in the separate way. One is drag this one, hook this up, and just call Ragdoll, and there we go. Let me show you what we've done. Now if I press 1, as you can see, we can't move around, we can't do anything because our character is dead. So how we can use it? We can use it while our player is dead, and while our enemy is dead. We can set physics to simulate, and easily we can create this cool looking death. So we don't need any animation for our death or something like that. We just enable the physics, and there we go. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Unreal Engine tutorial. And I see you in the next one. Bye.